How to join Alliance in Marvel Future Fight. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Are you a Marvel Future Fight player and you are looking to team up with other heroes and gain extra rewards? If yes, then joining an alliance is the key to participate in alliance mission, alliance wars, and getting exclusive rewards. To join into an alliance, first of all, launch open the Marvel Future Fight game on your device and make sure you are in the lobby screen. From the home screen, go ahead and click on the menu button appearing at the top right corner right next to the gear button. Tap on that, and in the expanded menu you will see the alliance button. Tap on it. Now, it will show you the list of alliances you can join into. You can browse through the alliances available or even search for their name in the search bar at the top. After you find the alliance you'd like to join into, go ahead and click on the apply button right next to one of the alliances. After you click on apply, you will be able to join into the alliance. Some alliances are open, so you will join immediately. Others need approval, so you'll need to wait for the alliance leader or officers to accept your application. Alliances have requirements such as minimum player level or power, so check that you meet them. If you don't meet those requirements, you'll not be able to join into the alliance. If you can join into the alliance, you'll see this kind of an interface. Click on OK and wait for the approval from the leader. So that's how you will be able to join into an alliance in Marvel Future Fight. Remember, once you join into an alliance, you'll not be able to leave immediately after a certain time period. So that was how you can easily join into an alliance in Marvel Future Fight. Now you can participate in alliance missions, wars, and chat with your alliance members. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.